Balikatan exercises, pinakamalaking war games nag-umpisa na. Air defense o drone warfare tututukan. AFP iginiit na mahalaga ang gerang pagsasanay para ito sa seguridad ng Pilipinas. Tara, pag-usapan natin yan. Nasa 17,000 sundalo ang lalahok o sasali sa taunang war games. Formal na tong inumpisahan. Layunin nitong palakasin ang kakayahang depensahan ng ating sariling bansa laban sa banta ng giyera o pananakop dito. In short, laban sa China.
I hereby declare Exercise Balikatan 41-2026 officially open starting today. Let this exercise not only demonstrate our readiness, but affirm our commitment to stand together, to act together, and when necessary, defend together.
Kahit may gera nga sa Middle East, binigyan din ng Estados Unidos, dedepensahan ng Amerika ang Pilipinas sa anumang pag-ataking tangkang gagawin dito.
He assured me that despite the conflict happening now in the Middle East and elsewhere around the world, the commitment of the United States is still strong, and that the Balikatan exercise for this year will be, according to his own words, the biggest ever.
Tututukan ngayong taong balikatan exercises ang drone warfare, kung papaano kakounterin ang drone attack mula sa kalaban. Matatanda ang drone attack ang ginagamit ng Iran sa conflict sa Middle East. Bukod sa mura ito, epektibo ba ang drone sa gagawing pag-atake?
The defensive aspect of countering drones is very much a part of the exercise. You might see that during the counter landing live fire exercise. A lot of drone warfare is offensive in nature, and this exercise, as I mentioned, is about security with our Philippine allies and operations that help that, primarily defensive in nature.
Pero ang pinaka-inaabangan lagi sa balikatan ang pag-ataking gagawin sa barko ng kalaban. Yan ang sinking exercises. Dito papasabugin ang barko gamit ang iba't ibang armas tulad ng missile attack, airstrike mula sa fighter jet, at ground attack mula sa iba't ibang weapon system gaya ng HIMARS at ATMOS. Ang Japan naman Maritime Self-Defense Force nagpadala ng destroyer warship para lumahok sa exercises na una na itong inalmahan ng China. Ang iba ring bansa tulad ng Australia ay may dala ring armas na gagamitin sa pag-atake.
Balikatan 41-2026 reflects not only on the scale of our cooperation but also on the depth of our operational alignment. Through integrated air and missile defense, maritime security operations, live fire exercises, and joint multinational readiness training, we are building more than capability. We are building systems that think, move, and respond as one.
Pagigiit ni General Romeo Brawner sa mga Pilipino, hindi tayo naghahanap ng giyera dito. Naghahanda lang tayo kung tayo ang gigirahin. Investment daw ito para sa future, para sa seguridad ng ating bansa.
No, people, Balikatan is for you. It is an investment in our ability to defend our sovereignty, to respond in crisis, and to secure the future of our nation.
Kayo, anong masasabi nyo sa gaganaping Balikatan 2026? Ikomento sa baba ang inyong saloobin.